My name is Minakshi Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Invisible Tiara. So this is my first YouTube channel which I always wanted to create long back. So finally I'm here. So I would be initially talking about myself little bit and about the channel, and later on I will be doing this look over here. So basically I have used pink color over here. So that's a base color here. You can go for nudes or any popping color which you want to create. So yeah, about me, I currently stay in Bangalore and I'm not a full-time YouTuber now. I do have a job and I'm involved in a financial sector. About this channel, I would be including videos related to makeup, vlogs, DIYs, and everything else that I feel like sharing related to the mentioned content. So now let's move on to this look which I have created over here, where I have used pink as a base color. This look I have created by using basic products so that anyone interested in makeup or want to learn makeup, that they can try their hands on it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First up, I'm going in with the primer and priming my face, especially the cheeks and the nose area where the pores are visible. Then I'm going ahead and using a moisturizer. This is by Pond's in case you guys want to know, and I'll leave all the details of the product used in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Then going ahead with the BB cream. I don't use foundation so often, so I prefer BB cream for daily use. That's better and also good for beginners. This is also by Pond's, and I think I've been using this more than 3 years now, because since college time I bought it and not stopped using it since then. It's really good. I prefer using my fingers, but it really blends the product well. Then going in with the concealer. This is by Maybelline, and this is also a very good concealer to conceal all your spots and dark circles and any problematic areas. I'm using a brush to blend it all in, but you can also use your fingers in case you want. Now I'm setting all the cream and the concealer in so that the makeup don't crease. You can use any compact that you have. Now, when you are happy with the base makeup, just let it set in for a while. Now I'm using a blush by Maybelline again, and this also I'm using since my college days, and this is really very affordable one and good for beginners. It gives a very nice hint of pink to your cheeks, not too much and not too less. Little bit on the nose. Now using the same blush, on the eyes I'm just covering the lid with the same blush color, which will give a very nice hint of pink and a very soft look to the eye. Then I'm using eyeliner and applying it on camera for the first time. But yeah, it turned out good, luckily. This is the second eye done. Now I'm using a MashKara. Then I'm using a pink toned lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. You can use the bullet one too if you like. This dries complete matte. Then last but not the least, adding a hint of highlighter. Apply it on the cheeks, on your nose, on the chin area and the cupid's bow. Then setting that all makeup in with a setting spray. And that's it. So this is the final look. Let me give you a closer one. Do let me know your thoughts on this, and if you really like this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with the people around you. So see you in the next one. Bye. And welcome to my YouTube channel, the interior. Sorry. Hi everyone. Hi. नहीं ऐसे ही ठीक है, एक ही हाथ से अच्छा नहीं. Hi everyone. Oh shit. I need to use mic, Rahul.